Welcome to Black Hill Reserve. I'm here with Peter.
Hello.
And Ruby, and with a couple of friends, Andrew and Kyle. And we're about to do a hike around Black Hill Reserve. It's a 6.3 hike. Not much to see here, but a lot of boulders. So quite an interesting reserve. And that's why Ruby is with us, because it is a reserve and not a national park or a state park. Otherwise, Ruby cannot come with us on many of the hikes that we do around Victoria.
So we'll keep her on a leash.
Or in a pack.
And take her on a journey.
All right, come along with us as we show you around Black Hill Reserve. We're enjoying our day out on our adventure at Blackwood Hill Reserve. We've come down from the top. We're on the base walk now around the perimeter of the reserve after having climbed and walked down the ridge with some great views from the top with all the boulders around us. It's quite scenic and quite beautiful.
Really easy walk, quite leisurely. Well, it's the way we're doing it anyway.
Anyway, we'll keep on walking. To the end of our walk, and we've enjoyed the ridge walk and the base walk around the Black Hill Reserve. So I hope you've enjoyed coming along with us, and Ruby had a wonderful day traveling with us today. Victoria's put on a sunny day for us, and now we're off to Kyneton for a bite to eat.
Such a lovely thing for us to do. This is our first real outing after lockdown, so it's just such a way of
freedom,
of touching the senses. Just a great day.
So until our next adventure, bye folks.